morning, you guys. It is Monday morning, 5th of October. It's about 7:25 a.m. I'm just getting prepped for my workout on Zoom, and there's a long, very exciting day ahead. The title may have already told you what the most exciting thing of today is, which I'm going to be doing after so many months. I'm honestly so excited, but I need to first get my workout out of the way and then we can talk more later because I don't want to be late for class. Okay, I'm done with my workout. I have sweat a lot, but this has left me with a really good energy for the rest of the day. I feel like I can get everything done. I need to take a shower, and before I go in to take my shower, I feel like I should tell you what the big fat shoot is going to be about. I'm going to be going to a studio shoot after like 7 months at this point. Any outdoor shoot after 7 months at this point, and I'm really excited today because Jerry and I are going to be filming together for a brand which I'll tell you more about when we get there. But I'm just really excited to just be there, go to a set, go to a studio. Of course, they're keeping all COVID precautions in order. They're making sure everything is safe for everyone. But guys, this little level of normalcy is something that I am really looking forward to. I've told you very candidly that the lockdown has been a few ups and a lot of lows for me, like emotionally. We've been at home, we haven't met any of we haven't stepped out even within like a social bubble that so many others have. So we've been going a little bit crazy in the last few weeks. Like we're just kind of like getting antsy, but इतने महीने निकाल दिए हैं तो थोड़ा और टाइम तो डेफिनेटली सही है काम के लिए है, इसीलिए हम जा रहे हैं, वरना obviously we would be sitting at home. I need to go take a shower, catch up soon. So a very important thing to do before I go into my shoot is go through my extremely messy right now wardrobe and figure out my outfit for today's shoot. As usual, I always ask the client if it's a studio shoot in advance as to what color the backgrounds are, if I should be wearing prints. I already know that this particular shoot has blue and yellow studio background, so I'm gonna avoid those two colors in the kind of clothes I pick, and I'm also going to take a couple of extra options just to be on the safe side. I always make it a point to do that. Okay, so I'm halfway through my glam. You can see some of it is there and some of it isn't, but I've quickly grabbed my lunch from the kitchen. Today's lunch actually has come to me from Lean Kitchen. Their PR reached out to me a few days ago and they do super healthy like food items, and they sent me the menu, which really impressed me because it had like a breakdown of like the calories, what the exact intake is. I'm a complete noob with that, but I know it's healthy food. So they asked me to choose 2 dishes and I chose the red snapper with quinoa and tamarind sauce, apart from which I chose the prawns and kimchi with brown rice, which has a honey chili flavoring to it as well. So I'm hungry. I definitely want to finish eating before we go ahead and leave for Goregaon. I will show you guys my complete outfit of the day in a little bit, but I really want to do some paid puja first. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Jerry is with me. There's barely any light over here. Are you excited? I'm so excited. I have my mask in my bag, guys. I'm just about to pull it out once I vlog. We're going on an outdoor shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Okay, let's go. Not gonna lie, Jerry, I'm so freaking excited about being in a vanity room right now. Jerry is hydrating. Guys, no secret, every beauty blogger, fashion blogger loves the vanity, even if it is half lit. It's been fully sanitized. We came inside fully masked. I'm just so happy, alhamdulillah. I'm just feeling so happy we're able to do something so like normal. Even if it's with like 100 precautions, that's fine. We'll take it. I should tell you what we're shooting for now. I just realized. Okay, so here goes. We're here for a game show kind of a shoot for Flipkart. We're going up against another influencer. I'm very excited to tell you guys more about that, but not right now. That I will share in a bit. Jerry, you're getting mic. That means you have to actually talk, huh, today? Guys, we just came back from playing the game show. Jerry, was that fun for you?
Yes, it was.
Listen, this vlog is not sponsored. The shoot was, but I really want you guys to go over and take a look at the game show. I will link it in the info box for you because it was genuine.
Very fun.
It really was fun. You guys will know what I'm talking about when you watch the video. For reals. Hi guys. Okay, so we are back home. This was genuinely a day on shoot so well spent, and it was the perfect way to get back into the rhythm of things. This is not a sponsored vlog, by the way, just so you know. I just want to like speak my heart out over here for a quick second. Of course, it was a collab with Flipkart for us to be there and be part of that game show, but it was such a fabulous experience. When I got the brief about the concept and everything, I was like, oh my god, I just in general have to vlog that I'm going back to a studio to shoot after so long. You become so grateful for all of the things that are otherwise just part of your routine habit life, right? Like alhamdulillah. Even the safety protocols and the way things were managed was all done really nicely. If you guys do click on that link down below from where you can go and watch the entire video, please leave a comment saying #WearFam. I will go and reply and hunt those comments down and reply to all of you. That would mean so much to me. By the way, in case you're wondering, yes, for a change, I am in a new night suit, making sure I'm in focus from my phone over here. Otherwise, I am just talking in blur mode. Yes, I am in a new night suit. I literally just opened this new package from Dreams Couture. I've seen a bunch of their night suits in the past, and this is my first one from their brand. I think it's a little bit loose, but it's also kind of comfy. Like, it's really nice. I have taken my bra off, which is always the first thing I do in general. The minute I come home, I'm like, bra off. Home is where the bra gets taken off first thing. And now I did it even quicker when I entered the house, because I was like, oh my god, this was the longest time I've worn a bra for since 7 months. Guys, this video's WearFam comment shout out goes to Karina. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Please keep talking to me down below in the comments. I'm always leaking? I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to all of your comments. I never let a comment go unanswered on the videos. Yes, I think the secret code for this video should be leaking. So if you've made it so far into the video, leave a comment down below and say leaking, because why not? Please hit like on this video. Please hit like on this video, because it helps make my channel more discoverable. And you are on the end card right now, so please subscribe bhi kar lo. Don't depend on the algorithm to show you my video. Kar lo, bata rahi hu, kar lo. हफ्ते में 4 बार वीडियोस अपलोड करती हूँ मैं. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.